Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix code when to wouldn't start or stem or keep crashing, freezing, or showing a black screen.
Fix 1. Update graphics drivers. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Radeon software. Step 2. Check for updates and install the latest driver. Step 3. Restart your PC and try launching the game. Fix 2. Verify game files on Steam. Step 1. Open Steam Library. Right. Click Code Vein to Properties. Step 2. Go to Local Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Step 3. Wait for Steam to finish and launch the game. Fix 3. Run as administrator. Step 1. Go to Code Vein to Installation folder. Step 2. Right. Click the Game Executable Properties Compatibility. Step 3. Check Run this program as administrator. Apply OK. Fix 4. Disable full screen optimizations. Step 1. Right. Click the Game Executable Properties Compatibility. Step 2. Check Disable full screen optimizations. Apply OK. Step 3. Launch the game.